Yo, what is going on YouTube? Sosa Mendoza here, and today I decided to come for a hike, a small little hike before I end my day. And I hope everyone gets to enjoy this video. I'm gonna film the whole trail play, everything that I come across, everything I encounter. I'm gonna have it on here, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Yo, what's up guys? We're like halfway through the trail, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure how long this trail is, but I just wanted to take a moment and just show off these beautiful trees for y'all. I want y'all to see how beautiful these trees are out here. It's very nice. And just enjoy the whole sound and the nature of the birds. You hear them, the streams of water, just enjoy it, take it in. So we made it into the intersection, guys, and I think I'm gonna go that way. We're gonna test out and see where this leads to. That part's a little too muddy. I do not feel like getting through that right now. Plus I'm a little tired, I ain't gonna stunt. But like, check it out, ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty dope out here. Yo, check it out, guys. I don't know how far up I am, but we got snow around us. Not too much though. Yep, this is where we made it so far. Still have no idea how long this track is, but check it out. Sorry guys if I'm like all over the place today, but you know, I want to get at least as much as I can get out here to show y'all. Check it. Out this little walkway we got here. See where this leads off to. Some more snow out here. Dang guys, I did not come prepared for snow, but we still finna do this. Well guys, it looks like the trails is gonna keep leading up to a lot of snow. I don't have the shoes for it, and it's like 7:30 right now, and I still got a long way back, and I'm not trying to be doing this in the dark, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me check out, let's just show what I got to, where I'm at. So I'm right up here, I stopped right here, this trail. I could keep going, but I'm not trying to walk through that. And it's already about to be late and the sun's about to start to go down, but check it out, guys. It's like a whole little area right here. A lot of trees knocked down though. Yo, thank you for watching, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I plan on releasing a lot more content soon and a lot more interactive videos with me and the subscribers. I just wanted everyone to just come out and check out this whole view that I had. I wish I could keep hiking some more, but it's getting dark and I got a long way back down. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video and everything that I was able to record. Enjoy yourself, have fun with what you do and what you're passionate about, like I said in my last video. But do what makes you happy and enjoy life to the fullest. And if you're ever bored, just go outdoors. There's always something to see, animals, everything. It's all life.